Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjalam Thamang. Today I bring for you all Wonton Soup recipe. Please do watch video until then. Follow the ingredients and instructions on you with your family, friends at your home, or you can use this recipe to eat your own. धेरै धन्यवाद सबैजनालाई आज म तपाईँहरू माझमा मैले वान्तन सुपको रेसिपी ल्याएर आएको छु हजुरहरूले यो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर आफ्नो घर परिवारसँग पनि इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ साथसाथै आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्र पनि प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है त A complete authentic wonton soup recipe include wonton filling, folding, and clear soup broth, just like a Chinese restaurant style. Wonton soup full recipe. Serving portion 4, preparation time 30 minutes, cook time 15 minutes. Wonton ingredients: wonton wrapper 20 to 25 wonton wrapper, store broth. Filling: classic chicken prawns 200 gram minced chicken or pork, 100-gram raw prawns finely chopped optional, 2 tablespoons spring onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, half teaspoon white pepper, salt to taste. For veg version, use minced mushroom or tofu. How to make wonton? Mix all filling ingredients well. Place 1 tablespoon filling in center of wrapper. Mustard as with the water, fold into triangle, press to seal. Bring two corners together and seal it. Soup broth ingredients: 5 cups chicken or vegetable stock, 2 cloves garlic slightly crushed, 1 inch ginger slice, 1 tablespoon light soya sauce, half teaspoon sesame oil, salt and white pepper to taste. Cooking and assembling: prepare broth, bring stock, garlic and ginger, boil, simmer 5 to 7 minutes, strain if you want clear soup. Cook wonton. Add wonton into gently boiled water or broth. Cook 4 to 5 minutes until they are fluid. Finish soup. Season broth, soya sauce, sesame oil, salt, and pepper. Serve. Place cook wonton into a bowl. Put hot water over them. Garnish with spring onion. Soft tips. Don't overcrowd while cooking wonton. Always use white pepper for authentic taste. Broth should be light and clear, not overpowering. Optional add-on: bok choy or napa cabbage or mushroom. This is the optional. Thank you very much everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile. Have a look. Many more recipes are there and many more posts are there. If you have any concern, please do comment any of my posts. I'll try to review all and I'll reply to you all. Thank you very much. See you next in the video. Love you all. Ciao.